Just head on over to kvoa.com/lifesaver. With that, let's turn to weather. Storm Tracker 4 meteorologist Chuck George joining us tonight. Chuck, we were talking about the winds in the break. It's going to be a factor tomorrow.
It will in the morning, especially if you're headed out for hiking, let's say that, or the Mariachi Festival. We've got that going on tomorrow, too. Let's get to it. Mariachi Festival for you all weekend long. Tomorrow up to 88 degrees, windy in the morning, calming down. We'll get into the wind in a second. 90 for your high on Sunday. That's not anything we can't handle. Notice those clouds thicken up by Sunday afternoon. Doesn't mean we'll get much rain out of our next storm, which will arrive Tuesday, but it will keep us cloudy for several days in a row. Those high, thin cirrus clouds that the sun can try to shine through. It obscures it just a little bit. Tracking pollen for you, we're getting better. That's right. Tree pollen was extreme. Now it's in the moderate category, but the weeds are coming up, ragweed just a bit. But as we get hotter and hotter in May, it usually really keeps that pollen at bay. 75 degrees tonight as we look on our Storm Tracker Skycam network. You can see La Paloma here, 75-degree temperature. Nice and pleasant out this evening. 73 in Midtown. Davis-Monthan, you're looking the same. West Side at 73. Down in Sierra Vista and Fort Huachuca, 64. 62 in Douglas and Nogales, you're sitting at 63 degrees this evening. Here's a look at the wind that I'm talking about for tomorrow. Now watch this. It's just going to be a burst of wind in the morning hours, and then it'll calm down just a bit. It's just the air exchanging itself after that storm left us and ran into Texas. Now it's going to send some wind our way. 29 miles per hour at 7 o'clock in the morning as I get my noggin out of my way for you. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and 27 mile per hour wind gust in Tucson. So if you hear the trees rustling in the morning early out in the trash can, maybe blowing around a little bit, well, it'll just last for a little bit. It's that mountain influence that's doing it. We get these shots of wind coming through the passes. Reddington Pass there. It gives us dusty and gusty conditions when that happens. But again, a short-term thing just in the morning for those extremely high winds. Our next storm track is showing it moving in from the northwest and right down the west coast. But what it will do for us in advance of getting here is bring us some clouds. This is Sunday at 9 o'clock. Then on Monday, and you can see on Tuesday, we've even painted a little bit of light rain in here. Maybe a repeat of what we had on Thursday, but still too early to tell. All right, tonight and tomorrow for you. 57 in Corona de Tucson, up to 87 for you tomorrow. Down south in Cochise County and Santa Cruz County, in the 70s over in Cochise County, 84 for you in Nogales. Here's that Storm Tracker 4 10-day tracker. Breezy tomorrow morning. The afternoon won't be so bad. Then the clouds come in for a few days for us. Cinco de Mayo is in the picture. Look at that. That storm that brings us the clouds will pass by, bring us some cooler air. Only 78 degrees for the daytime high on Cinco de Mayo. And then we heat it up, but it's May. We're supposed to heat up this time of the year.
Can't believe it's May already.
I know.
All right, we'll get through that wind tomorrow. Thank you, Chuck. The Phoenix Zoo was evacuated today after a bomb threat, one of several reported at zoos.